It is a beautiful springtime morning. Beautiful plate of bacon, some ginormous sized pancakes, big enough to fill an entire plate, and a little warm butter just to make it flavorful. So good, even the puppy loves it. That's a good girl. Oh, that's so good.
Do you know what is a terrible sign? When mommy walks in the house and lady goes straight to her crate. Yeah, that's what I thought. Look at her, look at me. Look at, lady, Look at her face. I walked in, she ran straight to her crate, so I was like, okay, what's going on? Yeah, that's naughty. Look at your face. You know you've been naughty. Look at her face. She's like, I'm so embarrassed. Are you in the garbage can getting toilet paper? Is that what you're doing?
She's not.
Don't keep eating it.
I don't think that comes from the trash can. I think she actually jumps up and gets the roll.
Well, no, because we've actually been keeping the garbage can like on top of the toilet. And
she finds out a way.
She figures out a way, like the neighbor's like yard. She wants something that she like squeeze her like body like through the gate, and she will get there.
Okay, in better news, stand up, tell us what you did.
So I've been wanting to comb my hair, but we've never had time, so you've never taught me, so I just like grabbed it.
Okay, that infuriates me.
Hey,
why does that infuriate me?
because I don't know.
Because I have taught you. I have taught you. I have a vlog on it. Yes, I have taught you how to curl your hair before.
No, you taught me how to straighten my hair.
Well, regardless, I'm
actually
actually not furious. that was a dramatization.
Wow.
Okay, well if this is your very first time curling your hair, you did a wonderful job.
The ends though, look, I don't know how you don't do this, but like the ends like will like
get kind of crimped.
Like, yeah, look like that. But
well, we'll just have to practice. And next time you do it, I'll watch you and I'll give you some pointers.
I got one of them.
Or maybe we could make a video on it. Maybe we should make a hair curling one. Okay, so my question, are you gonna comb through it?
I'm gonna leave it, and then before I leave,
then you'll
I'll
comb.
do it. Because if I comb it out now, then it looks good.
You'll lose some of the curl. Okay. I want to give you guys an update on my headache. If you've been watching, catch up if you don't know what's going on. But it has been a solid 3 weeks, right? Since my headache started.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. This is the start of the 4th week. So I've had a headache for 3 solid weeks, and this is starting week 4. So I am going to call the doctor, set up an appointment, and see what he has to say. Even though I've had a headache, I've only skipped a couple of workouts. I did get up and work out this morning. This is usually my post-workout hair. We've just been taking it a little easy, but I have worked too hard at getting like my routine down that there is zero way I'm going to get out of the routine and habit. Even though I didn't sleep, like insomnia, what? It comes and goes. Like I swear, like if you know me, have I mentioned it throughout the years? I don't really know, but I just get that way. Anyway, it comes and goes, and I'm really hoping it goes soon because I am sick of not sleeping.
Vlogging and has to come down, sorry. In front of the mirror.
Oh.
Oh, you're good now. Okay, there we go. Got it. Who knew vlogging could be so hazardous?
Well, actually.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Bad drivers. We have a quick recap for you. So let's go back to Monday. I made an appointment with my doctor because at that point I was starting week 4 of my headache. He took some blood work. I don't have that blood work back. We'll see. I've still been having trouble sleeping at night. I still have a headache. We came down on Thursday. I sat on the couch of Joel's parents' house. Joel's parents were very kind to me to let me just sit there, do my work, be cranky. They even bought me ice cream. Shout out to Joel's parents. While Joel did their lawn. way down to an ENT doctor so he can really look down into my ears. They have like a special microscope, and then they're also going to put a camera up in my sinuses just to rule out that there's nothing going on with like that type of thing. Dang, I called the doctor's office and they were like, we've been trying to call you. I'm like, oh, my voicemail was full. So I deleted my voicemails, and they said that I was really low in B12. Vitamin B12 is the only thing that was like, and he said that it could be causing headaches. So he wants to give me a shot once a week or once a month, I can't remember, and then kind of test as we go and see if that raises it. So before we go on our RV trip, I'm gonna go in and get a B12 shot.
What's B12?
I don't know, but I'm gonna Google it, and I'm going to find all the foods that are high in B12, and I'm going to make sure to incorporate those into our diet. No! Beef, liver, and chicken, all the things that I freaking hate. Fortified breakfast cereal? No. Yogurt and cheese, I actually have not been having as much of that lately. Eggs I have all the time. And then fish and shellfish such as trout, salmon, tuna fish, and clams, which I have been having tuna fish more, and I kind of stopped having salmon for a hot minute, but I will definitely pick that back up. I need to see what veggies has B12.
Yeah.
I'll keep searching. Okay, the vegetables that it says to have, I'm already doing a lot of those, which is like asparagus, spinach. I always eat spinach, I always eat avocado. But one of the symptoms of B12 deficiency is depression, irritability, disturbed vision, which I like when my head gets hurting, that's what happens a little bit. And definitely irritable and depression a little bit.
Irritable what?
Why would you do that?
I don't know.
The kids keep telling me how hairy my nose is.
Well, that looked pretty hairy.
Yeah, maybe I should do something about that. Oh gosh, oh gosh.
That looks so gross.
It's just the rag. It's just the rag, bud.
Alright. Before we go, I'll tell you what he said. He asked me, he's like, are you sleeping well? I was like, no, not at all. He's like, your brain is tired because you're not sleeping. He's like, your ears are good. Your nose, like your cavities are good. There's nothing like leaking in there. He's like, you look really clean. He said he's gonna put me on some medication that regulates my sleep at night. So it kind of has that type of medication in there, and it'll help me sleep at night. And I'm gonna take that for a couple months to get me regulated. He's like, and then you'll wean yourself off of it. You should be in the habit of sleeping at night, and that will help. And then he gave me some migraine medication to take when needed. But he's like, no matter what's going on in your life, he's like, fix your sleep. So I don't know who else needs that advice, but sleep is so crucial. So that's what we're gonna fix. We're gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna get my medication, and we're gonna get some sleep. Yeah, he's like, that's the most important thing. He's like, you need to fix your sleep. There we go. That's, I'll update you if it gets better or worse.